Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Abstract and Sui, right? So these are two chains that have absolutely massive scalable potential, okay? They aim for very, very ambitious goals, but I do believe Abstract, which we'll get into in a minute, has a lot of potential and a lot of people don't know about this chain yet, right? So without further ado, guys, obviously quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice, but without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the main difference between these two chains is Sui emphasizes speed and technological advancement tailored towards developers, right? But Abstract is definitely more focused on creating a blockchain experience that's accessible for everyday users. So we're talking consumers, we're talking retail, we're talking people that actually use products on the front end. So before we dive into Abstract, let's talk about Sui. Right? Sui is a layer 1 blockchain designed for scalability, low latency, and speed, optimized to support decentralized applications or dApps, a large-scale digital asset management platform, okay? Built by Mysten Labs, Sui leverages an innovative consensus mechanism known as a Narwhal and Tusk, which separates data availability from consensus to achieve higher throughput and faster finality. This structure allows Sui to process a high volume of transactions per second, or TPS, while maintaining security and decentralization. The platform's smart contract language, called Move, is crafted for secure, efficient transactions, making Sui a robust choice for developers building scalable and secure dApps. But what about Abstract? Now, Abstract is a layer 2 blockchain, but it's purely built for the consumers. It's purely built for people in the mainstream that use apps every day and just allows them to access blockchain technology and access crypto without having to look at block explorers, without having to do anything that's too complicated or typically overwhelming that you might see with the everyday users today. If you've been involved in crypto for a while, you may be familiar with Pudgy Peigoun. This is a popular NFT project, right? But did you know they're actually developing an open world game and contributing to a new blockchain? That blockchain is called Abstract, all right? So these guys are massive, as you guys are probably aware, and having them build something on this brand new chain is a massive, massive thing, because Pudgy Peigoun are actually very, very focused on that consumer end. They're probably one of the most mainstream NFT projects out there that have actually tackled that consumer base rather than these other projects that typically stay in the crypto space. So in short here, Abstract prioritizes the everyday user. You don't need to understand blockchain mechanics to jump in. It's intuitive as logging in to a social app or something like LinkedIn or Facebook. This focus removes technical barriers, offering a smooth, user-friendly experience for gamers, creators, and crypto newcomers alike. Now, behind all of this is the Abstract Global Wallet. This is their flagship product in which people will use to actually interact with all of these apps. Unlike Sui, where handling private keys and technical setup might still be necessary, Abstract enables users to sign in with just an email or a social media account. So there's no need to understand complex seed phrases or crypto jargon. Abstract is all about driving mass adoption. And at the end of the day, guys, Abstract is a hub for entertainment. Abstract will launch a platform where users can explore on-chain apps directly, instead of finding chains or apps through external sites like X or through CoinMarketCap. Users can visit a dedicated portal to discover blockchain experiences and create their Abstract Global Wallet. Abstract is committed to delivering accessible, enjoyable applications across gaming, social media, trading, and digital collectibles. And they're doing this by partnering with a ridiculous amount of new projects. I'm seeing a new partnership every couple days here on their X. So this is something that is very promising for a new chain like this. So if you are more of a high-performance, tech-savvy user, then you're probably going to want Sui, all right? So you're probably going to want this blockchain. But if you are a little bit more on the mainstream side, if you just want something that's accessible to everyone, if you're building something that is going to be more mainstream focused, then I would definitely check out Abstract. Abstract recently introduced an exciting new feature: panoramic governments. Here's how it works. As more users build and engage with apps on Abstract, block space demand rises, increasing gas fees. These fees are then redistributed to active users, creating a positive feedback loop where more engagement leads to higher rewards and further incentivizes participation. This ecosystem rewards activity and keeps everyone invested in Abstract's growth. So in conclusion here, when we're comparing these two blockchains, at its core, Sui delivers exceptional performance and technical sophistication. But Abstract really just simplifies blockchain. It makes it easier and user-friendly and ready for the mainstream on board to it. Whether you're interested in gaming, NFTs, or just exploring crypto, Abstract aims to bring these experiences to everyone. Abstract is paving the way for mass adoption by focusing on seamless user experiences and making blockchain approachable and fun. That's why I'm enthusiastic about Abstract and eagerly awaiting their launch later this year. That's right, guys. These guys have not even launched yet. You can join the waitlist in the description to get involved. If you are looking to build a project, if you're looking to get that project to the mainstream with a very easy onboarding process, then Abstract is definitely the way to go, okay? So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.